Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, now we'll learn it. Chapter number 29. Chapter name is Women in Olympics. Okay, and here are 5 women who won the medal for their brilliant performance in Olympic Games. Okay, Olympic Games is a major international event that includes summer and winter sports. Okay, then here first woman name is Amy Van Dyken. Amy Van Dyken, and she won the medals 6 gold. She became the first American woman to win 4 gold medals in one Olympic Games. Okay, then our next woman name is Natalie Coughlin. And she won 3 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals. Okay, she won the top female swimmer at the 2004 Olympic Games, winning 5 medals including 2 golds. Okay, then our next lady name is Polina Estakova, and she won 5 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze medals in Olympic Games. She won gold on 11 parallel bears and placed 3rd in the individual all-round in both 1960 and 1964. She won silver medals in both years in the floor exercises. Okay, then our next lady name is Agnes Kalati. Okay, Agnes Kalati, she won 5 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze medals in Olympic Games. She is the greatest gymnast from Hungary. She won 6 medals including 4 gold in Melbourne Olympics. Okay, then our next woman name is Larissa Latinina, and she won 9 golds, 5 silver and 4 bronze medals in Olympic Games. She is the Soviet gymnast who holds the distinction of having won the most medals of any athlete in Olympic history. Okay, then here are some questions from Olympic Games. Okay, answer the following question. First question is, the mascot Sam and Eagle related to which Olympic event? Okay, and our answer is 1984 Los Angeles. Okay, then our next question is, in the honor of which Greek god the first Olympics were held? And our correct answer is Zeus. Okay, Zeus. Take care, Zeus. Okay, then our next question is, what was the only event held in the first Olympics? Okay, and our correct answer is running race. Okay, then next question is question number 4. When was the Olympic flag introduced? Okay, when was the Olympic flag introduced? Okay, then our correct answer is 1896. Okay, 1896. Okay, then our next question is, who is known as the father of Olympics? Who is known as the father of Olympics? And our correct answer is William Penny Brooks. Okay, then our next question is, at what frequency are the Olympic Games held? At what frequency are the Olympic Games held? And our correct answer is 4 years. Okay, then our next question is, at the 1988 Seoul Olympic Games, which Korean martial art was introduced as a demonstration sport. Okay, and our correct answer is Taekwondo. Okay, Taekwondo. Okay. Okay, then question number B. Name the following Olympic mascots. Okay, here's it. Pick. Okay, its name is Amic. Amic. Okay, pick number B, and here name is Heidi and Howdy. Heidi and Howdy. Okay, pick number C, and their name is Lizzie. Okay, then pick number D, and your name is Scannyman. Scannyman. Chapter number 30. Chapter name is Sports Persons in India. Sports Persons in India. And here our questions. Okay. Answer the following questions, and question number first is, she is the first Indian athlete to win a medal in World Athletics Championship. She won the bronze medal in long jump at the 2003 World Championship in Athletics in Paris. And here her name is Anju Bobby Girl. Anju Bobby Girl. Okay. Next question is, he is here next person about something. He is one of the legends of Indian tennis, being the first Indian to win Wimbledon junior singles titles. He also became the first Asian to do so in 1954, and your name is
Ramanathan Krishnan. Ramanathan Krishnan.
Okay, and here Ramanathan speaks. Okay, then here is about the third person. Okay, so he is the first Indian to win All England Badminton Championship. He had won his first major international title in 1979 at the Commonwealth Games, and his name is Prakash Padukone. Prakash Padukone, and Prakash Padukone speak. Okay, then next person, he was an Anglo-Indian athlete from Kolkata who became the first Indian to take part in Olympic Games. He bagged 2 silver medals. Okay, your name is Norman G. Preachon. Norman G. Preachon. And here pick of Norman G. Preachons. Okay. Norman G. Preachon. And about next person, she was the first Indian woman to reach Olympic finals in 1984. Los Angeles Olympics. In 1986, Seoul Asian Games, she won 4 gold and 1 silver medal in the track and field events and created new Asian Games records. And her name is P.T. Usha. P.T. Usha. And here pick of P.T. Usha. Okay. Scoop up facts, okay, for a Norman G. Preachon. Then Norman G. Preachon was enjoying his holidays in Paris when he participated at the 1900 Paris Olympic Games on his own and competed in 4 events: 100 meter, 200 meter, 110 meter hurdles, and 200 meter hurdles. Okay, Okay, then about next person is, he is India's first grandmaster. He became grandmaster in 1988. When he was only 18 years old, he became the youngest Indian to win the international master title. Name is Viswanathan Anand. Viswanathan Anand, and here pick of Viswanathan Anand. Okay. About next person, he is the youngest grandmaster in India who won this title at the age of 13 years. He is second youngest GM in the history of games and the youngest of all GMs currently in the game. And your name is Parimarjan Negi. Parimarjan Negi. And pick off Parimarjan Negi. Okay, then about next person. He was the first Indian to win Junior US Open title. He won this championship in 1991 by defeating Kareem Alami, and your name is Linder Peace. Linder Peace, and here pick of Linder Peace. Okay. About next person. He lead the Indian hockey team. When the team won the first gold medal in 1928 Olympic Games. They defeated the host country Holland by 3-0 in the finals. And your name is Dhyan Chand. And here pick up Major Dhyan Chand. Okay. And here question number B. Match the following persons with their sports. Okay, then here first person name is Aisugiyama. And their sport name is tennis. Okay, tennis. And second person name is Amir Khan. And their sport name is boxing. Okay, then next person name is Alison Williamson, and Alison Williamson play archery. Okay. Then next person name is Chris Hoy, and he play the game cycling. Okay, ride the cycle. Okay, then cycling. Then next person name is Gordon Derry, and here their sport name is rugby. Okay, rugby. Then next person name is Yelena Isinbayeva, and their sport name is polo vaulting. Okay, then next person name is Kevin Peterson, and their game's name is cricket. Okay, then our next chapter is chapter number 31. Chapter name is Comic World. Okay, then our question, what to say, our question. Okay, tick mark the correct answers. Okay, then our first question is, neighbor of Dennis the Menace was, and our correct answer is Wilson. Okay, then second question is, a bumbling panda wants to become a kung fu master in the film. A bumbling panda wants to become a kung fu master in the film, and our correct answer is Kung Fu Panda. Okay, then our next question is, the name of Tintin's dog is, and your name is Snooty. Correct answer is Snooty. Okay, then our next question is, what is our next question? And it is in Scooby-Doo movie, who is the ghost in the toy factory? Who is the ghost in the toy factory? And our correct answer is Luna. Correct answer is Luna. Okay, take the correct answer. Then our next question is, what is say our next question? Peter's last words to Uncle Ben in Spider-Man movie. Peter's last words to Uncle Ben in Spider-Man movie, and our correct answer is, then stop pretending to be. Then stop pretending to be. Okay. Then our next question is, what it say? Bugs Bunny keeps saying. Bugs Bunny keeps saying. And our correct answer is what's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? Okay. Then our next question is Goofy's nephew in Disney cartoons. Goofy's nephew in Disney cartoons. And our correct answer is Gilbert. Correct answer is Gilbert. Then our next question is, in Archie comics, what is the name of Betty's sister? Okay, in Archie comics, what is the name of Betty's sister? Okay, then our correct answer is Polly. Correct answer is Polly. Take the correct answer. Okay, thank you.